This is the panel for star and delta connection on three-phase transformer. In this panel, what we are doing is, we are taking this three-phase supply output of MCB, we are giving the input to the three-phase transformer, and this three-phase transformer output is being changed from delta to star using this lever switch. This is the star delta switch. Now when I will perform the experiment, then I will show you that when I put it in delta mode, default it should always be in off mode. When I will put it in delta mode, you will see the voltage between RY and BY in these meters as 440 or 240 volt, and based on that you will see the change in the load current also. So let me tell you that how the meters we have used. In this meter, voltmeter 500 volt AC, we have used to show the input of the mains AC voltage. Mains AC voltage you can see in this reading. Now we have used both these meters to show the star voltage as well as delta voltage. So when we will put it in delta mode, then you will see here 400 volt AC, and when I will put it in star mode, then you will see 200 volt AC, 200 to 210 volt AC. Now let's move on to the current section. These are the three current meters. These three current meters are connected in the output of all the three phases of the load. So these are in series with R, Y and B. We have 15 bulb loads which are controlled by this switch. One row is controlled by this switch. L1 controls L1 to L3, L2 controls L4 to L6, likewise and straightforward. So let us start the panel. This is the physically three-phase transformer. It is provided outside. You will always connect the transformer terminals RYB mentioned here with 440, 440, 440, and you will provide the second end of the coil to neutral to all these 3 points. So in every three-phase transformer, every winding, every phase, you will make two connections, R1 and R2, where R2 is the second end of the coil of the transformer. So I will switch on the MCB. As you can see here, it is showing 432 volt AC, which is the output of the two phases at the input. It is not showing any output because right now the connections of the three-phase transformer are neither in delta nor in star. They will only show when I will put them in delta position. First of all, let us study without a load. Let us study the voltage. Now the AC voltage must be low, that is why we are seeing 390 or 400 volt AC at the delta position. So this is the phase-to-phase voltage at the output of the transformer. The transformer voltage that you are seeing, that is the output. Input we have connected in star. You can make it in delta also, but right now we have connected in star. Output is in delta. So this is star delta connection. This is star delta connection. Now the other experiment, I am going to change the lever to delta mode, star mode. As you can see, as I switch on the volt, it is showing exactly what we study in theory classes. That is, star voltage is equal to delta voltage divided by √3 or divided by 1.7312. So this is showing 244 volt, which is exactly correct. Now we have seen the change in the voltage in a delta and star. Now let us see what is the change in the current when we move from star to delta. So first of all, I have made it into a delta connection again. We are going to see the current. As you can see, as I am increasing the load, the voltage is dropping because this is the transformer connected. It is not connected to the mains line. The transformer is in between. As I have switched on all the load, it is taking approximately 0.5 ampere current. 0.5 ampere AC current it is taking in which mode? Delta mode. Now again I will make it in the, now I'll do the second experiment, I'll make it a star. As you can see, I've made it into star connection. The voltage drops and the current also drops. Earlier it was 0.5, now it is 0.3. So these are the two readings that you have to note down when you have to do the experiment. To switch off the panel, you have to make it in delta position and then slowly reduce all the bulbs to 0. Be very careful while working with bulb because they heat up during the operation. Then put it in off position and then put the mains down.